Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start our series in backend development. We would be writing our backend in JavaScript. As we would be writing our frontend in JavaScript, it would be easier to write the backend in JavaScript as well. We can write in further languages also, PHP, Python, Ruby and other. But for preference, we would be writing backend in JavaScript, and we all know that the JavaScript can only be run in browser. So to make it run outside the browser, what the famous developer did that he copied the V8 engine of Google Chrome, which was a JavaScript engine, and pasted in C++ wrapper and named it as a Node.js and made it open source so everybody can use it to write their JavaScript outside the browser. For that, we can download our Node.js in our system. So what you have to do this, you can go on your documentation of Node.js. You can do nodejs.org and you would be landed on that page. When you go on the Node.js page, you can learn about Node.js more. You can read about Node.js and you can go about what it can do and what the collaboration are. On the download tab, when you click, you have this v24.11.1 LTS. This is the version, you have to install it. And for system, you can switch that Windows, Linux, Macs or anything. I'm on Mac OS, so I would be downloading Mac. And when you click on Mac OS installer.pkg, it would be installing. I have already installed it. So when I click on it, when I click on the package, it would be asking for me to continue, then again continue, then agree. There comes install, and it would be asking for my password. When you click on install, it would be installing. It would take a few seconds and then close and move to it. When you have installed it, you should go on terminal and just check that correct version is installed or not. You should do node space -v and it would be give you what the latest version is downloaded in your system. And you can also do node space -- version to check which version you are using, and it would be giving you the current version what the install in the system. Let me tell you more about node REPL. What is REPL? REPL stands for read, evaluate, print loop. When you start writing your JavaScript code in the outside the browser, you read the code, evaluate what is written, print, and then again loop to starting the code. And what you can do that, for that you can without making any file of JavaScript and creating your own node project, you can just go on a terminal. You can go on VS Code terminal also, and on the normal terminal you should write node and click on enter. What happened that after writing node, you enter the node environment. What is node? Node is a JavaScript runtime environment where you can write your JavaScript code outside the browser. And when you click on node and type node and click on enter, you enter in the node environment where you can write JavaScript. And when you click on .help, you will get further commands which you can do. Like when you want to write a code like console.log for example, and you want to write hello world, and you want to print that statement, and you click on enter, you can see that hello world is printed. And you can also do computation like a equals 2, b equals 3, and you want that c equals a plus b. You can see that 5 has been printed. You can also do console.log c, and it would be giving you the same output. And you can also write function in REPL, function abc, such as we write in JavaScript. You can see that the automatic space has been given after the function, self indentation is given. You are writing console.log, you want C to be printed, you want your name should be printed, and then you are giving curly braces and enter. You have not called the function yet, when you call this function, the command would be executed, your name would be printed. So that's it for the video.